But I'll tell you all of our bleach stuff, and then like we can all decide on how we want to do it. Think of that. Does that sound crazy? Because for the deep fill, I want to, of course, my plan was to fill it with water first, and then we'll do the reaction. God, look at those already. My sponge is in there. Oh, yeah. You can't even hear it. Look how shiny. So we're gonna have Roma. Love that, all the powder on top of the suds. I just love the gritty just powder. Had to get back to the focus. Dude, this is so sudsy. And it smells so good. You guys watching UFC tonight? I got UFC on behind me in there. I'm listening to it as with like liquid bleach. And listen, I know it's bleach, but dude, you gotta watch what the fuck you mix, guys. Like seriously, I'm not joking. Dude, I just love this so much. No powder in the suds. Dude, these are so fluffy. Very thick. These are not creamy at all. Like, this is thick as shit. You can barely hear it when it hits. Like, it's not even making any noise, really. Suds are blue. We love that. Dude, this is caked. I absolutely love this. Gotta put some up in the tray. And we do have Roma in there for when it pours out. We have more going in. This is incredible. Low water, this shit is awesome. Give me 1 second. I'll be back up in chat, but I've got to get some of this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the suds are completely blue now. We're gonna add some clothes in and do some clothes squeezes because these ones are gonna be so good.